Stopping at the world famous Buc-ee's. Look at all the traffic going into this damn place. This is like a Walmart truck stop. Walmart truck stop. It's a Goodwill truck stop. We're going to Buc-ee's. Travel Center. It is a big motherfucker.
Look at the hundreds of cars.
Look at that big ass truck stop. I don't see no semis there at all.
That's what I was getting ready to say right now.
That's not a truck stop. It's just a gas station. Matt from Demolition Ranch. You suggested it, so we stopped. Buc-ee Beavers.
No semis.
Not on this exit.
They're probably over somewhere else.
Come on out, little gray car. Come on, woman, lady. Go ahead.
Yeah.
I want to get the other end. I want to see if there's a truck stop here. I got a pee too.
Damn, go to Buc-ee's. It's like going to the mall. Look, stop. 75.
That's an exit.
That's crazy. There you go. Oh,
I want to go to the other end to see if there's a truck stop. Then we'll find a parking space right in front. If these bumps don't make me pee.
Right there.
What's there a red line there?
Damn. Look at that. Bag's eyes only 2 rows. Damn, we got.
You know what? We can get a cooler. We'll get one in here.
What the hell was that?
I don't know. We'll get a bag of Buc-ee's in here, or a cooler in here.
Get some air in here.
Come on, Buckettes, let's go.
Let's go see what we can.
Buc-ee 1 and Buc-ee 2. God damn, look at all these people coming out of here. I'm acting like I'm looking at something on my phone. It's a big ass motherfucker. Is it a truck stop?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it said $35 to $50 an hour. I was looking at the wrong thing. That must be almost worth driving down here to go to work.
They pay $18 to $42 an hour.
You see what they pay? $18 to $42 an hour.
They're supposed
We'll
to
go.
be building one in Ohio.
She's got to pee now. I'm doing pretty good for not even looking through my camera. I gotta stop. Can't have that music in the video. God damn.
Yeah, you can. You can't even. I told you. She said it was crazy.
Jesus Christ. Does that say Freightliner down at the end down there?
I don't know. I'm not. That's just.
Never mind. This place is
Want
fucking
to
crazy.
buddy?
But I'm good. This place is crazy. It ain't no truck stop.
I'm going to Google it and show you it is too. Better believe me.
I ain't seen no truck entrance. No signs coming in that said truck entrance.
Walk.
This is where we should have ate at. God damn. Oh yeah, that kind of beef jerky you want there, ain't it? Because the other entrance, this is not a truck stop. Yes. Yes, it is. I know it is. I can tell by what's over here. Over there.
Buc-ee's truck stop.
And right over there. Right over there is the truck stop.
Told you.
What is it, 879? 879?
Ooh, look. We need a cooler.
There's a Walmart.
Well, don't lose me. We'll never find each other.
Yeah, that's only $20. Smell that thing. Look what color it is.
Cowboy. Here it is right here. Look. It's a Buc-ee.
It's cute, ain't it? That's a good size. He feels good.
We'll get it. You know they're going to need a blanket.
I might. I'm going to look and see what else there is.